Okay, so today we're going to change the transmission oil on this Jeep. Now it's gear oil because it's manual transmission. I know most people say manual transmission. Who knows how to drive them anymore? Perfect anti-theft systems for millennials. Mine is so
I do, and he does.
Yeah, we can all drive them. Our oldest son can't, but...
We did not do all of that.
But we're going to go ahead and we're going to change the chocolate milk out of this Jeep. That's what happens when you bud. You get some chocolate milk consistency of that gear oil because it gets hot, and then when you get in mud, it sucks that muddy water up in there. Makes it all pretty and stuff. It smells nice. So y'all stay tuned and we'll get right into this.
Dairy and everything. Well, that's good.
So to get this in, first I spray it with a little PD blaster to lube up the tube.
Oh, too much, Dad. Lock it.
This is why you don't touch capacitors. One. He just seized the broom. Okay, to take the drag plug out, you need a 5/16. Oh, let's see how nasty this oil is. See if he gets it all over his hands.
I know. That's what I'm trying not to do. You know, that's like impossible.
Oh, that is definitely needs to be changed. That is some nasty looking shit right there.
Oh, that smells.
That's probably got 100,000 miles on it.
Yep, never been changed.
And now we're going to put our 75 weight gear oil, 7590, into this other bottle. So we can pump it out into the transmission. This is a manual transmission. Do not stick this weight in your automatic transmission. Ooh. Look at that. You want a rag?
I'll take a rag.
Here you go. Make an oily mess.
At least I wasn't here.
Okay, so our drain plug we have out right there, and then on this transmission right here this is the plug you take off to add your fluid. So this is going to be fun to get to. I'm going to get Young Buck in here and he's going to take that off. It reaches it. So he's going to try a wrench. He may have to get a socket. He may have to get that big wrench I have.
Oh, that's too much work.
Come on. Come on, muscles.
Am I even twisting the right way?
I don't know. Yeah, that's the right way. And you broke it loose. Or maybe.
No, that was just a wrench.
Oh, you broke the wrench.
Oh my God.
Come on, pick up the Jeep.
I'm trying. It's not working. Here, let me.
Are you going the right direction?
I hope so.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Left. Alright, yeah, it's going the right direction. Oh. Oh my God.
You I need to do it?
Hang on, one last try.
Okay.
I'm getting you. Oh, got it.
Got it, yay! Did you break your knuckles?
No, I was keeping my hands open.
Okay.
So I wouldn't do that.
What we're going to do is we're going to pump some fluid through this, because if you look at our transmission fluid that came out of this, really nasty. I'm like, that needed to be changed a long time ago. We're just gonna pump until it starts looking a little cleaner. Is it coming?
No. Is this the right one?
There it goes.
Yep, it's the right one.
So we gotta get that yuckiness out of there. I'm gonna pump too much in there, but yeah, that's a lot of yuckiness. We're gonna wait for that stuff to get clear. That's like chocolate milk right there. Yum. Pull you a cup up and drink up. Pump you some more in there. It's starting to get clear. Looks like they got water in it. Okay, that's enough. Yeah, that's clear. Okay, go ahead and put your cap on. I mean your plug in.
It's on your side.
It is on my side? It's not on my side.
Huh? Oh, there it is.
Yeah, that's clear. It's just got some caked on shit. And we're going to go ahead and fill this up until it comes out the top.
Get the shirt and then
You get the wrench, tighten it up.
wax on, wax off.
Mm-hmm.
Is that how it's supposed to work?
There you go. And this is how you preserve the life of your tools.
Oh.
You just oil them up with gear oil.
Huh. Here, you yank on it. Alright, let me straighten it out.
That's good. Now I got gear oil on my hands. Gross.
Time to start filling. Let me put this over here.
Okay, so we're using the stern drop pump to pump this up out of the oil can. And when it comes out the top, we know to stop.
I hate this. I forgot how much I hate this when doing the gears.
We use the stern drive pump on the gears as well. It works great when you have to pump all up.
Up. Alright, Dad.
Okay, we're still pumping.
Am I actually full?
I don't know.
Yeah, bring the light. Yeah.
I don't see it being full.
I mean, it looks like it's drizzling down. No, not yet. I can see it.
I don't see it being full.
How much does this take?
Still pumping.
Is it almost over?
Nope. I'm looking at it, Brian. Nope.
Oh,
Oh, don't waste it.
I'm not.
Put it back on, hurry. You're wasting it.
Yeah. There we go. Where did it come off?
It came off the end. You see how it has the end?
Oh. Golly, I'm special. I was looking directly at it.
Okay.
Yep, as I'm pumping, it's coming out.
Oh, yay. It's coming out.
Perfect amount.
Yay.
Look at that. You're second guessing me, Dad.
I know. It held that whole container. Well, we flushed some of it, and we waste some of it in the tube. But yeah. And now you just put the plug back in. So you emptied everything. This is why we never get to do an intro and outro after the project is done, because our young man over there, he's gonna go test it.
I'll be back tomorrow.
So So after we did the gear oil change, our son went and tested it. So he did some extensive testing on trails and things like that. And we did change out the gear oil in a month. And it was a little muddy, but not near what it was. So the initial pouring some gear oil in there to flush it out, and then, until it was clear, and then put the plug in there and fill it up. Works wonderfully. So if you got some muddy gear oil, go ahead and flush the system before you put the plug in and fill it on up, or you're going to end up with dirt, and that's not great lubrication for your gears.
Unless it's just a road warrior.
Well,
This actually goes off-road.
Well, he doesn't take it in mud anymore. He doesn't like when he gets on, oh, did you grease the Jeep? Did you check the fluids? Did you look at this? Did you clean it out? So yeah, he doesn't like that, so he just trails and no mud. He goes around the mud puddles.
I don't know. There's some, looks like beach mud right here.
Yeah,
There's sand in there now.
Probably. But he's an adult now. He can adult and fix it himself.
That's the great thing about when they turn into adults.
Yeah. Graduate.
Your problem now. We love you, Jeep, but we spent way too much money on you.
And you can tell he does use this Jeep. The top's off. He's out cruising. Got the stereo up. He actually just buy AC, so that's going to be a future install. And then he's never going to put the top down.
What's the point of having a Jeep? I don't know, but he wants it, so
Yeah.
we'll let it ride.
Also, if you're looking for great eats, good recipes, go check out our blog at diningwithdanielle.com or chrisdoswhat.com and just click recipes. All in the same spot. Yummy recipes every week. And
Almost. Sometimes I have to take a break.
yeah, she does. And it's
too.
I do too. But y'all go check that out, and it's actually good for your food. Because I've actually stopped eating the snacks, my son's snacks, because he doesn't get snacks anymore. And I've been trimming up, and I still eat the same amount of her food that I used to in the past. Good food, check it out.
Hey, I've always said it was the snacks.
It was the snacks. I love snacks, but they're not good for me. That and condiments. Condiments are horrible for you.
Well, now we're getting on a health lesson, so
Move on.
we'll wrap this up.
So, if this video was helpful for you and you liked it, give us a like down there. Looks like this. If you like our channel, subscribe. We'll make more content. Hit the little bell for that extra ad reminder.
Oh, we're still going to make more content.
Yeah, we are. But you can be notified of more of it. With the little bell. And and y'all please take care.
Bye.
Y'all stay tuned.
There's something wrong with that. Yeah, there is. There's a lot of things wrong with me. Shut up. Mentally, physically, you know.
I'm mentally insane, so certified. I've been certified.
Looks like cement or something.
Mm-hmm.
No, it's just cement. That looks like beach. Oh, they went to Causeway.
Yeah, they went to beaching.
They went to the beach.
That's why the top's down.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, see the top?